How to fix apps stopped working and crashing error on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is just tap on this button over here where you can see all of your apps and just delete or cross all of this application so that you'll be able to see which apps is not working. After that, if this does not still solve the issue, what you can do is you can go to each app and just clear the cache. Now for that, you can just make a long press on the application and then tap on app info. And as you tap on app info, you can just tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Next, what you can do is you can just go to the settings of your device over here. And as you tap on settings of your device, you can tap on about phone and then go to your updates available or not. So just check if there are any updates available. So as you tap on check for updates, as it says there's no updates available, which means we have the latest version of the software on our device. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on our device and then tap on reboot and restart our device, and this might solve our issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.